Hello, so to reproduce this error, please install this extension Crusoe, which I'm author of. It just inspect DOM. It's support extensions for our custom framework. It should show just virtual DOM of the element. So if I click here, there in the Bobrel pane, there should be visible empty object because on these pages there is no there is no Bobrel, but there should be empty object. Instead, if I debug the debug extensions, when I enter Control Shift I can see exception which is going from the DevTools panel, because my extension, if I print it, my extensions use set expression on the pane, and it seems that it internally loads it want to internally load some module which is not correctly mapped. The module name, I believe it's Object UI, as I mentioned earlier in my video. Thank you.